Hey everyone, want to speed up your Roblox game design? Here's how to use the AI tools to create custom game assets quickly. Let's get started. First, you need to use an AI generator like Recraft AI, Ideogram, and more to design a textures, icon, or concept art. Then type a detailed prompt like this. Then here after that, or after generating the prompt, download the generated images and edit them to the Roblox texture sizes. You can refine them by using free tools like Canva if needed. Then after that, import your textures in Roblox Studio by going to View and click the Asset Manager and Import and apply them to parts or meshes in your game for unique visuals without starting from scratch. And that's how you can combine AI to Roblox Studio to create awesome game assets. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.